In this video, I'm going to share with you how to convert video to audio on your iPhone in literally seconds using shortcuts. This is the fastest way for free to convert your video file into an audio file. Now you can follow this video, or I've also linked for you on my description for free the shortcut file. So if you click on that, it will automatically download it into your shortcuts and you don't even have to follow this video. And if you want to transcribe a video, it's going to be much easier to convert it to an audio file. And then you can use Apple Notes to transcribe the audio file really quickly. So you're going to search shortcuts onto your phone, and then you're going to click the little plus button on the right. And I like to rename my shortcut right away, so you can click on that little arrow, click rename, and let's type video to audio. Okay, you can do whatever symbol you want, or you don't have to do any of this, but let's put a music sign, music, and let's do red. Okay, so after, oh, it didn't rename. Let's try that again. Rename. Video to audio. Okay. Oh, I already have a shortcut though, that's why. Okay, let's do it again. Video to audio tutorial. Let's do that. Okay, so I've created that. Now you're gonna click on the search actions, and the first one you're gonna search is select photos. Okay, click on select photos. Great. Okay, and then you're gonna search actions again, and the next one you're going to do is encode media. Okay, so click on encode media. And then click on the little arrow beside encode photos, and you're gonna make sure to turn on audio only. Now there's two formats that you can put it at. You can put it M4A or AIFF. Most of you will only need to choose M4A. It's just iPhone kind of quality. If you're looking to use this for more professional quality, then you can use AIFF, but it does take more space, so I'm just going to choose that one. And then you're going to search actions again, and this time you're going to search save. So you can click save file here. Okay, and then it automatically says save encoded media. You're gonna click on that little arrow here, and you're gonna turn off ask where to save. I mean, you could do this and it will prompt you to decide where you want to save it every time, but I just find it easier to save it to my downloads every single time. So I'm gonna turn that off. So after I turn this off, I'm gonna go back here and click to the shortcuts right here. And I am going to choose downloads. Now you can go in here and choose whichever options you want. So it's going to say on my iPhone, and then I'm going to click downloads because I want it all on my downloads. Open. So you'll see here, select photos, encode, and then save to my downloads. And that is basically it. So I'm going to go back here. So you can see here that video to audio tutorial has been created. Now let's test this out, okay? So I'm gonna click onto the shortcut now. Okay, so I recorded a little bit of a piano video here so I can show you. So I'm gonna click onto that, and you can see it downloading. Allow video to audio tutorial to save one photo to a file. You can say always allow or allow. Just click allow once for now. Okay, so it's processing, and I think it's done now. So I'm going to go now search. So I'm going to search downloads, or you can even search files first if you want. If you don't know where your downloads are, search files. And then you'll see here that it is downloaded. So you can click on it. So if you see, this was the video that I was playing. There you go. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and make sure to like this video so I know you want more like this. Now, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.